Life is a series of choices. Maraming mga bagay na pinamimilian po tayo, pinagdidesisyonan tayo. Pero minsan, mga kapatid, may mga desisyon, predictable mo na kung ano ang outcome. Correct? Pero ito lang minsan din naman at madalas, may mga ginawa tayong desisyon, pero still unpredictable ang outcome. Example, nag-asawa ka, you made a decision, pero hindi mo ma-predict kung magiging kayo ba ng matagal o magtatapat ba siya o hindi. Okay? May isang bagay na na-decision na natin, napili na natin, pero still at the end of the day, hindi mo pa rin ma-predict kung paano at kailan. Tanungin sa akin kung ano yon. It's called death. Totoo hindi. Minsan, you lived a life that is so well, and yet you died not so well. Kasi nga, at the end of the day, still God is the one that will decide when or where you will die and how you will die. Amen? O mamatay ka man ng gusto mo, hindi ka mamatay ng gusto mo, I want you to understand, in your life, God is holding you, and even in your death, God will still be holding you.